What's up guys, Major here, welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can launch your Ps2 games with Ps2 version 1.4.0. So you can see I've made other videos how you can set up Ps2, how you can launch ELL files with Ps2. All will be in the description box. Don't forget to check it out, it will help you guys a lot. So with that being said, let's jump straight to the video. So you have to make sure that it's an ISO, and go to ISO selector, then go to browse, then you have to go to music, then you have to choose the place where you put the ISO, and you have to click open. Okay, so when you click open, what you're going to do is you have to click here, and now boot CD video, boot it, and then you can see it's starting. You can see that the game is starting. You can see this is your PS2 game on a PC. This is so sick, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a very big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. It means the world to me. I love you guys. Major out.